Hey guys, it's jdeeuh. Last night I was on YouTube and I was just watching random videos before I went to sleep, and I watched a productive day in my life, and they made waffles in the video, and I decided that I wanted to make waffles. Why do I look like that? Why do I sound like this too? Oh god, I cannot look like this. Oh my god, I can't look like this either. Today I want to make waffles. That's the most important step I want to do. Clean my room, clean my bathroom, go to either Target or Michael's. I need to film another part of a YouTube video and potentially go to the gym. I don't really know about that one. Anyways guys, let's just get my day started and let's go make some waffles. Welcome to my kitchen. First thing I'm gonna do is put up my hair, and then I'm gonna start making waffles. Wait. I can't reach that. Got it. This is expired. So we don't have waffle mix, so I guess we're gonna go and get that because I've been craving some waffles. So I'm gonna go to the store, get waffle mix, and I'll be right back.
Bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your stress. I mean the bare necessities.
We're back. I just went to Target and I got my pancake mix along with some other things that I'll show you guys later. I'll show you guys what I got later after I make my waffles. Okay, I got everything I need to make my waffles. We're just gonna wing it. So I just ate breakfast and I watched yestheory's newest YouTube video, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. So I didn't get a lot from Target. As you guys saw, I got the waffle mix, then I got this basket for my scrunchies, then I got just a pack of paper for school because school is starting soon, and lastly I just got a folder. I don't really know how many folders I'm gonna need this year, so I kind of just got one because I already have some other ones. So now I'm going to clean my room because it's an actual disaster. Like, this is the worst it's been in so long, so I'll just do a montage of that. My card was full, but I finished picking up all my laundry and I sorted into hang up, athletic jeans and pajamas, and now I'm just going to put all of these away. So I finished cleaning my room and I've been sitting here for a while just watching YouTube videos, editing a little bit, but now I'm going to take a shower, and once I get out of the shower I'm going to practice my makeup for the first day of school because the first day of school is in about a week now. And I'm not trying to look crusty, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's exactly 1 o'clock and now I'm going to get in the shower, and then when I get out, I'm going to practice my makeup. So I just took a shower and now I'm going to practice my makeup. So right now I'm filming 2 videos in one, which is kind of weird for me and I don't really understand it, but I'm doing it. So this is also part of my productive day with me. It's pretty productive to me because I never do this. So I just filmed my part of my back to school transformation where I practiced my makeup. I like it. I think it turned out way better than expected. And now I'm gonna take it off and make myself some lunch because I'm super hungry. I have to put all this away and I have to put all of this away. And now we're back in my kitchen. I'm eating a banana because I don't really feel good. I have a stomachache. I decided I'm going to make one of our pizzas, which is going to be weird because I've been dairy-free for a while now, and I haven't had cheese in a really long time, so hopefully it doesn't go really bad. But I just want something that I can just throw in the oven and be done with because I don't really feel the hottest right now, which I should have eaten something healthier because I don't feel good, but whatever, I don't really care. So my pizza is all done. I'm just going to wait for it to cool down and then cut it up and eat it. I just finished eating my lunch. It was pretty good. Probably is not gonna go well for my stomach later, but I think I'm done with everything that I had to do for the day. It's currently 3:44 and I don't really have anything else that I need to do. I'm just gonna edit a little bit and just finish my summer reading, but that's a little boring, so I'm going to end this video here. If you guys like it, give a big thumbs up. I've never filmed this kind of video before. Anyways, I'm gonna go edit and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!